Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going for fishing. Here we are, 7 of us with our beer hand. Today we are going to catch a fish. So keep watching my video. Here is the river. Today we are going to catch a fish from here. Let's see whether we can get or not. I will show you how to catch a fish today, so keep watching my video like I said. So here is our tirbok having Mountain Dew. Here we came with one car and one bike. A hungry man. So he's getting ready. Hey, Mark! So this is the process. First we block the water, we diverted the water with the stone, we block the water from the stone with the stone. Now we are putting plastic to divert all the water, to dry up all the water, so that the water will just go directly from this stream. And here we are going to catch a fish. So here we are, 7 of us. So this is the man fisherman. So here is the first catch. See, this is the fish. First catch, still alive. Today is his or her unlucky day. Today after we go home, this fish is going to go inside our stomach. So keep watching. Today how much we will catch, we'll show you everything today. Oh. So finally we have done our work. Now we came to take rest. Now we are going to have aloo chop with Pepsi. So today we didn't get much, but still then we are here to enjoy. This is the pickle and this is aloo chop. So finally we have reached home. We got 5 kg of crab and fish. So this is so this is what we got today. So thank you for watching. See you in next video.